People always ask me, Tia, will my rates go up when my 16-year-old gets their driver's license? And simply put, yes, adding a teenage driver to your auto insurance policy can lead to increased premiums. But why is that? And then the next question is always, how much will my rates go up? So let's talk about it. Hello, Trailstone family, and today Jenny from Phoenix asks, will my rates go up when I add my 16-year-old to my policy? Well, Jenny, yes, and unfortunately, most of the time when you add your 16-year-old to the policy, it will increase your rates significantly. But why? So insurance premiums are determined by assessing many risk factors. And when it comes to teenage drivers, the risk is often higher, typically very high. Teenage drivers, especially those who have just received their licenses, are statistically more likely to be involved in accidents due to their lack of experience and sometimes riskier behaviors. So insurance companies often view them as higher risk drivers, which can result in increased premiums for the entire family. Okay. I know I was a bit crazy on the roads when I got my license. I still remember this one time. Never mind. Okay, moving on. Here's 5 reasons why auto insurance costs more for young drivers. But before we jump into the reasons, look for my video with the Trailstone Teen Driver Toolkit. This is a free 22-page kit to help reduce your teen's insurance rates. Okay, so here's the first reason why insurance costs more for teen drivers. First is young drivers are more likely to be in accidents. Teens and young adults have the second highest fatality rate among all drivers. And let's look at some statistics. In 2019, over 5,600 young people under the age of 25 died in accidents. And that's compared to 4,958 drivers between the ages of 45 to 54. Insurance companies consider statistics like these when determining rates, and accidents will raise car insurance rates at any age, but young drivers will see the highest increases. Second, young drivers have an unproven record. After age and gender, your driving record rounds out the top 3 factors that affect car insurance rates. Unfortunately, new drivers come with little to no driving history, making it impossible for insurers to judge their driving behavior. So think about this situation. An experienced driver with a good record can probably handle a situation like hydroplaning on a rainy road. However, an inexperienced driver is new to these experiences and may not respond appropriately. So young drivers are more likely to panic or overcorrect when they face an unusual circumstance on the road, raising their risk of filing a claim. And to put this into perspective, your 16-year-old is statistically more likely to cause an accident, so underwriters have to charge more premium for youthful drivers. Third, teens and young adults are more likely to be distracted drivers. So young drivers report that they're more likely to text, send emails, and talk on the phone while driving, which, by the way, you shouldn't do. And according to the CDC, distracted driving is responsible for 9% of all fatal accidents involving young drivers between the ages of 15 and 20. Distracted driving also includes talking to other passengers, reading directions, putting on makeup, and even eating while driving. In 2019, distracted driving was responsible for nearly 6% of all fatal car accidents. Due to the increased risk distracted driving presents, insurance companies increase rates for teens who are more likely to be distracted behind the wheel. Number 4, young drivers are more likely to be reckless. So teen drivers tend to be more reckless behind the wheel. I know I was, causing them to be in more accidents and file more claims. The good news is risky behavior is reduced as teens get older, well, at least with most of us. And as young drivers enter their 20s, they're less likely to engage in risk-taking behavior, whether behind the wheel or not. Accordingly, insurance companies will lower rates as drivers age and maintain a clean driving record that shows they're less likely to have an accident. Fifth, Young drivers pose a financial risk to insurance companies. So overall, young drivers pose a larger financial risk to car insurance companies due to their lack of experience behind the wheel. And since young drivers are more distracted, more reckless, and more likely to get into accidents, they're more likely to cost the insurance company money. At Trailstone Insurance Group, we understand the concerns of adding a teenage driver to your policy, and our team can help you navigate through the process and explore options to manage the costs while prioritizing safety on the road. Don't forget about the free Trailstone Teen Driver Toolkit. This kit will help you save money, but more importantly, if you're paying too much for your youthful driver, reach out to my team right away to start saving money immediately. Until next time, and remember, Trailstone Insurance Group is here to help protect what matters most to you and your family.